Welcome to the Learn True Health podcast. I'm your host, Ashley James. This is episode 0. Hello, True Health Seekers, and welcome to episode 0 of the Learn True Health podcast. I'm honored to have you listening to our show. Episode 0 is my opportunity to introduce myself, tell you a little bit about the show, and set the stage for what you can expect in upcoming episodes of Learn True Health. If you don't know me, I'm a huge supporter and believer in holistic health. I've spent many years in what some call the alternative health arena. At age 6, I saw my first naturopathic doctor, and through my whole youth, my family and I were gluten-free and dairy-free long before it was cool or easy. I grew up on gross-tasting supplements and herbal concoctions, eating fruit instead of Fruit Loops, and carob instead of chocolate. In our household, we drank filtered water, not soda pop, and if a cold was going around, we never caught it. I was so healthy following my naturopath's advice as a child, but I took it all for granted because I didn't know any better. While my friends ate Nutella sandwiches on white Wonder bread for lunch, I had broiled chicken breast and cold Brussels sprouts in my lunchbox. As a teenager, I threw caution to the wind and upgraded my healthy, home-cooked packed lunches for cookies and fries from the school's cafeteria. I stopped taking supplements and ate what all my friends were eating. It didn't take me long for my health to deteriorate. It was in my 20s that I realized I needed to turn back to the ways of natural medicine. But I had so many health issues from over 10 years of eating wrong and not taking supplements that I didn't know where to start. The internet was still in its infancy, and it seemed like every diet and health book contradicted one another. The more doctors I spoke to, the more confused I became. I had so many unanswered health questions and so little energy left to find the answers. The aha moments came when I met with naturopathic doctors. By following their advice, I began to make huge strides towards health. I learned that naturopathic doctors are trained to teach their patients how to achieve health. They want to teach you so you can learn true health. I have now been working with naturopaths and holistic health practitioners for the last 5 years. I learned and implemented their teachings, and as a result, I gained my energy, dialed in my diet for maximum nutrition, boosted my immune system, and balanced my blood sugar. Health is a journey, not a destination. There are milestones to reach, but we're never done learning or striving for true health. This journey has inspired me to launch the Learn True Health podcast so other true health seekers like you can gain the answers you're looking for. This podcast will connect you with experts, naturopathic doctors, and holistic healthcare practitioners who will give you clarity and help you navigate the muddy waters of all the health myths out there. And there are so many health myths out there. For example, in my early 20s, I spent a whole year eating lots of whole wheat bread and drinking skim milk because I followed the mainstream health myths. Those myths led me deeper into illness and confused me even more about what I was supposed to do. If you've ever become sicker from following a doctor's advice or a so-called health book, then you are not alone. If you've gained weight on a diet instead of losing it, then you are not alone. If at times you felt hopeless or blamed yourself, felt guilty or ashamed about the state of your health or your body, you are not alone. This podcast is here to support you, to bring you answers, to empower you to true health. Although I've been a student of holistic health, I've also been on the professional end of the table. As a massage therapist and physical therapist in my past, I help those with injuries recover their health. As a trained master practitioner and trainer of NLP, timeline therapy, hypnosis, and coaching, I have helped people achieve their life's goals. As a Reiki master, I have taught healers how to incorporate energy work into their practice. And now, as a podcast host, I am honored and delighted to bring you meaningful interviews and conversations with holistic health experts who want to teach you how to achieve your health goals. It is important to me that this show will bring you real and concrete actionable keys to health concepts that you can immediately implement into your life to start making a real difference. With each episode, I will extract what advice these doctors give to their patients for achieving optimal health. I will uncover how those striving for true health, like you and me, can translate their years of clinical experience into actionable steps we can take to improve our health. In each episode, my guests will share their results-based health knowledge and powerful keys to removing the barriers to reaching your health goals. To help you implement the health keys you will receive from each episode, we will have detailed show notes on our website, learntruehealth.com. I encourage you to subscribe to us on iTunes for Apple users or the Stitcher app for Android, and also to get on our email list so you'll be notified when each episode is available. Our emails will contain the link directly to our show notes, so you will have easy access to them. Some of our health experts will bring up great tools or resources like books or websites that they recommend. Links to those resources will also be in the show notes of each episode, so that's another great reason to be on our email list. To get on our email list, visit learntruehealth.com and sign up for our free cookbook download or our 7-day free video course where you'll be given videos from amazing naturopathic doctors. I am so thrilled to bring you the experts we have lined up in the coming weeks. We have naturopathic doctors who've been practicing, some for over 31 years. Several of the doctors we are interviewing are both practicing physicians and professors at top naturopathic medical schools. We also have interviews lined up with holistic health practitioners who specialize in achieving emotional well-being, de-stressing even if you live a super busy life, releasing physical pain, and achieving optimal health at any age. So, whether you're a health nut, passionate about holistic medicine, or someone working hard to get your health back, Learn True Health is the podcast for you. Thank you so much for listening, and I look forward to bringing you the next episode. Looking for even more ways to feel and look healthy? Come to learntruehealth.com and get our free healthy cookbook. There are some delicious recipes, and they're super healthy for you. All you have to do is visit learntruehealth.com.